night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes Greg becomes Connor becomes
Catboy. Achoo! Sorry. Achoo! I'm okay. Achoo! Whoa! Now that you're Gecko, you've got super sneezes.
And with super sneezes, you shouldn't be running around outside.